Hello there, this is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky, and today I'm going to make this book cover, but I'm going to do it on the iPad using Affinity Photo. So first of all, what I've done is I've got this one here, which is the mock-up of the book, which I'm going to fit it to. And what I've done is I've got an approximate size for the area of the book, and I've made up a book cover. And I've basically sort of put a Good and Geeky logo on the top of it, given it a book name and a little bit of extra text at the bottom there. And I've also put on a bit of 3D onto the background, this background sort of shape as well. So what I want to do is I want to get this and I want to put it onto the book. So what I've done with this is I've gone into this one here and done export, and I've exported it out as an SVG. Now if I export it out as an SVG, it means I can have it as an embedded image in the other one there, in the other book cover thing. So let's just cancel out that for the moment because I've already done that, and I'm going to go into this other one. There we go. Also what I've done with this here, because there's a white bit of a cover at the front here, I just put a little bit of a mark at the top there just so we can see the corner is better. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place that image. So let's just go to this menu here, and I'm going to click on place from cloud. And this design is called Spiky. Let's go into iCloud Drive. Let's go into the folder I just saved it into. And the folder I'm looking for is called Untitled folder. And there it is, Spiky. So get that to about the size that you need there to fit onto the space. And then what you need to do is you need to go to Live Filters. So I'm going to give this one here, Add Live Filters. And then I'm going to click on Perspective. So now all I need to do is I need to just put that over there and put this one over here, put this one over here. It's just so easy, this is, it's ridiculous. And put this over here. Now I'm going to go in a bit closer onto this here so I can just see a little bit better what I'm doing there. Make sure I get it in the right, exactly the right place. And come over onto this corner over here, and you see I've got to move it out a little bit, so put it in there so it covers up that little black dot, and that's perfect now. And I'm going down to the bottom right hand corner of the book, and I'm going to do the same again, bring it out here so it goes exactly over the top of that there, so it covers it up. And same thing in this bottom left hand corner, so I'm going to put that and I'll stick it over there. So now that's just spot on there, so I can click on this move tool or any other tool, and I've got my book exactly how I want it, and it's got the cover on there and it's looking perfect. And that's how easy it is to make your book cover in iPad Affinity Photo. Okay, so that's the front cover of the book sorted out, but what about the spine? Let's get some text, and we'll get some artistic text tool in there. Okay, so Spiky book, and what I want to do is I want to change the text type of that there. So let's select all of that text from Arial and put it into something else. Maybe go for Optima, and we'll go for extra black. There you go, that'll do nicely. Select the move tool, make the text a little bit taller. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to put this into the spine of the book. And first of all, let's just change the colour of it. So I don't want it in black, I want it in something that's going to show up a little bit better on the spine. And we'll go for a whitey sort of grey sort of colour, that'll do. And now what I want to do with this here is get the colour wheel out of the way. I'm going to go to the filters, and I'm going to add a live filter to it, and the live filter again is going to be the perspective filter. So that's perspective filter selected, and now all I need to do is to drag this and put it into the space where I want it. Let's get a bit closer there so we can see what we're doing a little bit better. And just need to, that should be upright I think there, and this one here should be over there like that, and this here, and the vertical should be vertical to make it so that it looks right on the spine. There is a bit of a curve to the spine there, but we're not going to worry about that too much. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that's okay. So we'll come into the view tool again now and come back, and then we've got a bit of text on the spine of the book as well. How about that? Marvellous, or what?